Education is a right, not a privilege. Team igebra.ai conducted free Math4ALL Workshop at Government Higher Secondary School, Sanjay Nagar, Raipur, India on 1st December 2022. We believe that math is the most fundamental building block for the future, but on the contrary, it is also the most dreaded subject in school. More than 70% of students find math very challenging. Students at the grassroots level are at a disadvantage when it comes to math education. Lack of teachers and resources makes it all the more difficult for them to catch up with their peers in urban areas. We believe that every child should understand the beauty of math because it is in every corner of our lives, from how we earn money, how we make friends, how we play, and even how we choose a profession. Conducting Math4ALL Workshop is an effort by igebra.ai, a global edtech company, to drive away all the fears and make students fall in love with math. Math4ALL Grassroots Impact Program is focused on making math inclusive. We want to offer hope and opportunity to children in government schools to excel in math as well as future career growth. The students of grades 7 and 8 assembled for the workshop and welcomed us with warm smiles and greetings. The workshop was a first-time experience for most of these kids, but it was clear that they had a lot of curiosity and enthusiasm shining through their eyes. They were eager to see what we were going to teach. Our math educator started by explaining easy methods to build multiplication tables in a faster way by showcasing the underlying patterns and logic. We taught them to build multiplication tables till 99 and students just loved it. After the multiplication table, we explained to them a few concepts from algebra in an easy and super fun way. The students were very attentive and very curious. The session went very well. It was great to see that the kids felt enthusiastic about learning math again. All the students loved the class and asked us to come back soon for another session with them.
My name is class 7. आज की क्लास बहुत अच्छी थी। आज सर ने हम लोग को बहुत सारा गणित का अलग अलग टेक्निक सिखाया है। वो हम लोग के पेपर में और रिजल्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा काम करेंगे और हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं इसको पढ़ के, और इससे हम लोग को बहुत अच्छी सीख मिलती है। इट्स अ वेरी नाइस।
जो सर आए हैं हैदराबाद से, वो बहुत अच्छे हम लोग को टेबल पढ़ने का या याद करने का, या याद तो नहीं बट सरल तरीके से बनाने का हल बताए हैं। हम परीक्षा में भी बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हैं इसको। अगर हम करना चाहें तो ये परीक्षा में बहुत अच्छे से पास हो सकते हैं। गणित जो ऐसा विषय है जिसे पढ़ना याद या रटना नहीं चाहिए, हमें इसको समझना चाहिए। इस वजह से ये हमारे सर जो हम लोग को सिखाया है, उनके लिए थैंक यू।
आज का जो कार्यक्रम था बहुत अच्छा था। मतलब एक सरल तरीका से हम लोग को सीखने को मिला कि गणित कैसे हम सरल बना सकते हैं और किस तरीके से हम इसको बना सकते हैं, है ना। सर से हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा सीखने को मिला।